What if I told you that AI can make mistakes faster than you can say oops? You might be thinking, but AI is supposed to be perfect, right? Well, not exactly. AI can make mistakes, and that's what makes it so interesting. You see, AI is like a super smart computer that can learn from its mistakes. But how does it do that? Let's find out. Imagine you're trying to teach a robot to recognize different objects, like cats and dogs. You show it lots of pictures, and it starts to learn. But what happens when it sees something it's never seen before, like a cat-dog hybrid? Think of AI like a big library with millions of books. Each book represents a piece of information that AI has learned. But what if some of those books have wrong information? That's kind of like what happens when AI makes mistakes. It's like the librarian put the wrong book on the shelf. Now, imagine you're the librarian, and you need to find all the wrong books and correct them. That's what AI does when it learns from its mistakes. It's like a big game of find the error. You see, AI uses something called edge cases to learn from its mistakes. Edge cases are like special situations that AI hasn't seen before, but it needs to figure out how to handle them. So, how does AI learn from its mistakes? Well, it's actually pretty cool. AI uses something called data to learn. Data is like a big box of information that AI can use to make decisions. But sometimes, that data can be wrong or incomplete. That's when AI makes mistakes. Let's say you're trying to teach AI to recognize pictures of cats. You show it 100 pictures of cats, and it starts to learn. But what if 5 of those pictures are actually dogs? AI will think those dogs are cats, and that's a mistake. To fix that mistake, AI needs to learn from its error and update its knowledge. It's like a big update button that says, I made a mistake, let me try again. You see, AI uses errors to learn and improve. Errors are like little flags that say, hey, something went wrong. And AI uses those flags to fix its mistakes and become better. Let's look at an example. Imagine you're trying to teach AI to recognize pictures of cats and dogs. You show it 100 pictures, and it starts to learn. But what if 5 of those pictures are actually dogs? AI will think those dogs are cats, and that's a mistake. Now, let's say you want to fix that mistake. You can show AI more pictures of cats and dogs, and it will start to learn from its error. It's like a big game of find the cat. You see, AI uses edge cases to learn from its mistakes. Edge cases are like special situations that AI hasn't seen before, but it needs to figure out how to handle them. For example, what if AI sees a picture of a cat that's sleeping? It might not recognize it as a cat at first, but with more data, it will learn to recognize sleeping cats. So, why does it matter that AI can make mistakes? Well, it's actually really important. AI is used in lots of things, like self-driving cars and medical diagnosis. If AI makes a mistake in one of those situations, it could be serious. But if AI can learn from its mistakes, it can become better and safer over time. It's like a big feedback loop that says, I made a mistake, let me try again. You see, AI is not perfect, but it can learn and improve. And that's what makes it so powerful. For example, self-driving cars use AI to recognize objects on the road, like pedestrians and other cars. If AI makes a mistake, it could be serious. But if AI can learn from its mistakes, it can become better and safer over time. So, let's recap what we learned. AI can make mistakes, but it can also learn from those mistakes. AI uses data to learn, and sometimes that data can be wrong or incomplete. But AI can fix its mistakes by learning from its errors and updating its knowledge. Here are 3 key points to remember. AI makes mistakes, AI learns from its mistakes, and AI uses edge cases to improve. You see, AI is like a big learner that can get better and better over time. And that's what makes it so exciting. Next time, we'll explore how AI can learn from its mistakes in even more complex situations. We'll talk about something called deep learning, and how it can help AI become even smarter. It's going to be a blast. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next lesson.